What up guys, today we are going to go over how to roll out your guys' tricep. A lot of times we're working triceps in almost everything we do, and especially if you're working it out, doing isolation movements, you guys are going to get tight. You'll feel it kind of cross over, and you guys can have pain anywhere from down here all the way up into the shoulder. Again, that's just doing that kind of referred pain. So I want to show you guys a couple ways how to roll it out. As you guys can see, I have several different balls here. I have a lacrosse ball. We have this, what's called a peanut, which is basically two lacrosse balls that are together. And then I just have one of like the batting cage balls as well. It doesn't matter, whatever you guys want to use. You guys can also use a frozen bottle of water. So if you guys just get a water bottle, put it in the freezer, and then grab that, you guys can do the same. But what you're gonna do is you guys are gonna take the ball, you guys are gonna find a flat surface. This could be on a table, this could be actually anywhere that's a hard surface, like a bench, anywhere at your gym. But you guys are just gonna come down, you guys are gonna put your arm on it, and then you guys are just gonna kind of lean forward and backwards, find a spot, and then once you find that spot, you guys are gonna extend that arm, and then you're gonna flex it back up, and you guys are just gonna go through that range of motion. And again, you're just gonna turn, find a spot that hurts, and then you guys are gonna come back with it. Again, just find a spot, hold it on that spot, go through about 3 to 5 different movements of flexion and extension, and then you guys can change where you guys are putting it on your tricep. Then you can also take that same ball if you guys want to, so I'll just show you. It's the exact same thing, doesn't matter which way you do it, you're just gonna kind of lean, and then you guys can hit it from different angles. And where I get it most tight is in that like horseshoe area. So you guys are just gonna have to find where you guys get the most tight, that's gonna find the pain. But if you guys have never rolled out your tricep before, you guys will probably feel it wherever it's really tight. It'll wake you guys up. You guys can also always come to a wall and do the same thing. You would just put the ball on the side, lean into it, and then we go through the same range of motion. So this is a simple way to help relieve some of that pain. Again, a lot of times when you guys are feeling pain, it's not because you actually have an injury, it's just you have muscles that are tight that are yanking on stuff, causing that pain. So let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see any other kind of stretches or rolling out, but I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys next time.